So first question, everyone. What is the full form of URL? What is the full form of URL? What is the full form of URL?
Sir, Uniform Resource Locator.
Uniform source
Source
locator.
locator.
Uniform
sources
resource
Locator.
locator. Uniform resource locator. Next question. What is the full form of email?
Electronic mail.
So the answer is electronic mail.
Electronic mail.
Electronic
Mail.
electronic mail. Next question.
Okay, sir.
What is the full form of ISP?
Internet Service Provider.
Internet
Service Provider.
service
Internet
provider.
service provider.
Internet service provider.
Provider.
Next, what is the full form of www?
World Wide Web.
Wide Web.
World Wide Web.
World Wide Web.
World Wide Web. World Wide Web.
Next, what is the full form of www? What is internet?
Internet is a network of network.
Internet is a
Network of network. Internet is a network of network.
internet is a network of network.
Network of network. Network.
Which is not a name any 5 popular web browser.
So Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera,
Firefox, Safari, Google Chrome, and
Google Chrome,
Safari,
Safari,
Firefox, Opera,
concentrate,
Opera.
listen. Mozilla Firefox.
Fox,
Google
Opera.
Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge,
Microsoft
and
Opera.
Opera.
Edge.
Next one is Opera.
Opera. Total 8.
Next one is Internet Explorer is also there. Internet Explorer.
Yes,
Someone
sir.
is- Next question. Name any 4 popular search engine. Answer. Name any 4 popular search engine. Anyone tell me first.
Sir,
Yes.
Yahoo, Google, Bing.
Yahoo.
Bingo.
First one is
Google,
Google.
Bing,
Bing. Next one is Yahoo.
Yahoo.
Next one is Baidu.
Sir,
Okay.
Yahoo.
Yahoo over.
Just sender.
Die with Yahoo only. Yahoo over. Next question. What is website? What is website?
Website.
It is collection of web pages.
It is a collection
Sir,
of
it is collection of web pages.
Pages.
Web pages.
next question. Every web page has a unique address. Have a unique address called as dash. Every web page has a unique address called as dash. Every web page has a unique address called as dash.
Hot link, sir.
What?
Hot link.
Every
Hot
web
link.
page, every web page has a unique address called as dash. Try to understand everyone. अब वेब पेज क्या होता है? जैसे हमारा कॉपी में पेज होता है तो पेज का नंबर होता है ना, कोई भी दो पेज का नंबर सेम हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता है, ठीक है ना? सेम हियर आल्सो every web page has a unique address called as URL. Called as URL.
URL. URL.
Called as URL. So the answer is here URL.
Yes, sir.
URL. Uniform Resource Locator. Now the next question. Write the components of email. Write main components of email. Main components of email. Write the main components of email. What are the main components of email? Or you can write like this. What are the main components of email? Following are the main components of main components of email. Now tell me which
Sir,
one.
following are the main components of email.
Yes.
Subject is the description of the topic.
Wait.
Sender.
Yes, sender is great. First one is, yes, very good. First one is sender. Second one is
Receiver.
Second
receiver.
one is receiver.
Receiver.
Subject.
Just wait.
Subject.
First try to understand. So first one is sender. Sender जो है ना, first one is sender. Second one is receiver.
Receiver.
Or it is also called as recipient. Recipient.
Yes, sir. Recipient email address.
Recipient. Okay, recipient or receiver. Next one is two.
Reply to.
Just next one is two. So two also you can say two जो है ना same as receiver ही है. Either you write two or
Yes,
receiver.
sir.
है ना? Either you write two section में क्या होता है? Receiver का email ID होता है. तो two और recipient. Two receiver और recipient all are same. समझ में आ रहा है?
Sir, subject.
Next one is subject.
Subject.
After that, body of the message. Body of the message.
Attachment.
Message.
Attachment.
Next one is attachment.
Attachment.
Next
Date
one
and
is
time received. Date and time received.
not. Next one is after that, one more is CC and BCC. Don't forget this.
Yes, sir.
Send the
Yes,
carbon
sir.
copy and BCC, blind carbon
Yes,
copy.
sir.
One more component important is
Carbon copy.
reply. Reply. Next one is forward. Forward.
Forward.
And one more is log out.
Log out.
Or up to here you can write for reply, forward, or log out also. If you want to write it, log out. Following are the main components of email. Means sender is the main, then to subject, body of the message, attachment, CC, BCC. So these are the basic components. आप इसको हटा भी सकते हैं, इसको कोई जरूरी नहीं है, ठीक है ना? So write up to here only. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, who is the founder of www?
Tim Berners-Lee.
Tim Berners.
The Tim Berners-Lee.
Tim
Lee.
Now one more important point is, so whatever I am revising is, it is for your final exam also. Final exam के लिए भी ये revision हो रहा है. Same I am not going to revise again. ठीक है ना? Same ही आपका final exam
Okay,
के लिए
sir.
भी ये सब है. ठीक है ना? If you want one more time also
Okay,
I will
sir.
revise. But ये जो chapter revise करा रहे हैं, same final exam के लिए भी यही है. ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Now come to the next chapter. Next question. Algorithm is written in. Algorithm is
Simple language.
written in
Simple
dash language.
Simple language.
Simple language.
Dash language. Answer
Simple
is
language.
simple
Simple
language.
language.
Simple language.
Yes, simple language over. What is algorithm? What is algorithm?
Algorithm is a
Sequence
sequence that is written in a step by step.
Algorithm is a
Sequence that is written in step by step.
yes. Algorithm is a step by step procedure for solving any task or any job. Done. Now what is flowchart?
Yes.
What is flowchart? Now answer. What is flowchart?
Flowchart is the diagrammatical representation of an algorithm.
It is the
Diagrammatic
diagrammatic
representation
representation
of an algorithm.
of an algorithm.
Algorithm.
Of an algorithm.
Algorithm.
Done.
Yes, sir.
What are the different symbols? What are the different symbols used in flowchart? What are the different symbols used in flowchart? What are the different symbols used in flowchart? First one. Start and stop box.
Symbols.
Sir, input output box.
Next,
Output box.
Input output box.
just wait. Dhananjay, do you have any problem, Dhananjay? You want to ask something?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, Dhananjay.
I was disconnected.
Okay, no issue.
Yes, sir.
Now the first one is start and stop box. Next one is input box. ठीक है ना?
Input
Sequence में हम लोग रहेंगे.
Yes,
Input
sir.
and-
Yes, sir.
Input and output box.
Output box.
After input and output box, processing
Box.
Next one is
Processing
Decision box.
Decision box.
Manan Agarwal is giving the answer of all the question. Why? Next one is decision box.
Decision box.
After that,
Flow lines.
flow line.
Line.
In the same way, you have to write in the exam also. Last one is
Yes, sir.
connector.
Connectors.
If you write the answer in this way, जिस तरह से अभी हम करा रहे हैं, if you write the answer in this way, full marks you will get. पूरा का पूरा आप लोग को नंबर मिलेगा. एक 1 marks also you will not lose. समझ में आ रहा है? पूरा क्लैरिटी के साथ
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन में, और इसी तरह का आंसर भी आपको क्वेश्चन भी आएगा एग्जाम में. Now the next question. Shivam is inside the class or not? Shivam, what happened to Shivam? Shivam initially is in the class, but suddenly he is not in the class. Why? Okay, concentrate. So next question is, what is the purpose of, repeat this, chapter number 7. Come to the chapter number 7.
Yes, sir.
A presentation is a collection of dash
Slide.
that are arranged in a sequential manner.
Slide.
So the answer is
Slide.
presentation is a collection of
Slide.
slides. Next one, what is the file extension of PowerPoint? What is the file extension of PowerPoint? PowerPoint dot PPTX.
Dot PPT. Dot PPTX.
लास्ट में एक्स रहेगा, ठीक है ना? एग्जाम में ऑप्शन आपका इस तरह से रहेगा. अभी तो एग्जाम आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा, इस तरह से ऑप्शन आएगा. सो डोंट कंफ्यूज. पीपीटी भी रहेगा, पीपीटीएक्स भी रहेगा, डॉट पीपी भी हो सकता है और डॉट पीटीएक्स. लाइक दिस द ऑप्शन विल बी गिवन इन द एग्जाम. सो डोंट कंफ्यूज नहीं होना, ठीक है ना? सो द आंसर इज डॉट पीपीटीएक्स. Dot PPTX is the answer. Next question. The default view of the slides is dash.
Normal view.
Sir, normal view.
Normal
View.
Next question.
Normal view.
Next question is, which view is also called as miniature view? miniature view. Which view is also called as miniature view?
Sorted view.
Which view is also called as miniature
Sorter
view?
view.
Answer is slide sorter view.
Slide sorter view.
View.
Slide sorter view. Done.
Yes, sir.
Next, which function key is used display the slideshow?
F5. F5.
Function
Sorry,
key?
F5.
Someone is
F5.
asking the question. Abhigyan Narayan, do you have any question, Abhigyan?
No, sir, I didn't talk.
Dhananjay is asking, sir, what is the symbol name of connectors? What is the symbol name of connectors? So connector is,
Okay.
Dhananjay is asking the question, what is the symbol name of connectors? Yes, Dhananjay.
No, sir, I am not asking symbol. Sir, Manan
Sir,
is
I am
asking.
asking.
Manan is asking the question. Yes, Manan.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So this connector is circular in shape, मतलब सर्कल जैसा होता है, ठीक है ना? सर्कल और एरो से वो ज्वाइन
Okay,
रहता
sir.
है. So it is, you can consider it as a circular in shape. Which function key is used to display the slides? Is used to display the slideshow. Is used to display the slideshows.
F5.
F5. F5.
So the answer is F5.
F5.
F5. Very good. In which view? Yes. In PowerPoint, in a slide, in a PowerPoint, within a slide, how many total view is available? Yes,
Sir,
answer.
4 view.
First one is normal view.
Normal view. Normal
Second
view.
one is
Slide sorter view.
slide. So everyone is answering the question. What is energy boost up हो गया है? Why everyone is able to answer all the question? What is the secret? Your class teacher is here only. Because of that, everyone is answering properly.
Yes, sir.
Normal slide, normal view, slide sorter view, slide sorter,
Slide sorter view.
Notes page view.
or it is also
Notes
called,
page view.
it is also called as
And slideshow
miniature
view.
Yes, wait, miniature view. It is also called as miniature view. Next one is notes page view.
Notes page.
Notes page view. Notes page view.
Next one is slide.
Slideshow view.
Slideshow view.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A dash is like a page in the presentation. A dash is like a page in the presentation.
Sir, answer is slide.
Answer is slide. Slide is like a presentation.
A slide is like a page in a presentation.
Next question. A dash displays the slides on the full screen. On the full screen.
Slideshow.
Answer is
Slideshow.
slideshow.
Slideshow displays the slide on full screen.
Everyone is comfortable up to here or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next, you can select different. You can select different slide. You can select a different slide from the
Layout button.
dash button.
Layout button.
From which button? From
Layout
Layout
button.
button.
Layout button.
layout button.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me everyone. So everyone is comfortable up to here.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So how much everyone can score?
Sir, it test or exam.
In the test, PT10.
Sir, full
Sir,
mark.
Full marks. So bye
Sir,
everyone.
full mark.
Yes.
Bye,
very
sir.
good. Best of luck
Bye,
for your
sir. Thank
listen
you,
me
sir.
properly.
Thank
Best of
you,
luck for your
sir.
tomorrow exam. And bye everyone. Class is
Thank
over.
you.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.